Hi, fourth graders. Welcome back to Vocabulary. It's week 22. This is Mr. McAuliffe. Remember, at any point in this video, you can pause. You can go back and listen to it again. Make sure that you have the notebook that you're going to be writing the words down, and someone or something to turn and talk to as we go. And here we go. This is the article, How to Make Oobleck. It describes a process that you would use to make it. A process is the way to do or make something that requires several steps. In this case, 4 specific steps. Think about step 2 of the process. What was it? Turn and talk to your partner. Now think about how the diagrams helped you understand the process of making oobleck. Pause, turn and talk to your partner. How is the diagram helpful? The word prior to is a synonym for before or earlier. Take a look at what you would need to do prior to making oobleck. Now use prompt 1 to turn and talk to your partner. Pause and explain what you need to do prior to making oobleck. Now look at prompt 2. What is something you did prior to coming to your e-learning space this morning? Pause, turn and talk to your partner. Finally, using prompt 3, what is something you do prior to going to bed? Pause, turn and talk to your partner. The word initial is a synonym for first. Step 1 in the process, measure water and pour into a bowl, is the initial step in making oobleck. When planning or doing a project, your initial step is really important because it's how you get started. I want you to think about if you were planning to take a trip. In planning to take this trip, what would your initial step be? Use prompt 1 to say what it would be, and then describe why it is important. Pause, turn and talk to your partner. If we add the suffix ly to initial, we get initially. That means when you did it. The word initially would mean what you did or when you did it first. So think about before you started your e-learning today. Use prompt 2 to describe what you did initially. Pause, turn and talk to your partner. Again, when we add the suffix ly, it means that it's happening at a certain time. For example, the word frequently means happening on a frequent basis, or quite often. What are some other words you can think of that if you add the word ly, it means when it is happening? Talk to your partner about what you think.